Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Youngsville, local and long-distance movers near me. When you have to move more than 80 miles with your family and apartment, we consider it a long-distance move. In Youngsville, people put their confidence in 3 Movers for offering high-quality and efficient moving services. Our team consists of professionals who use the right equipment, safety gear, and knowledge to move your material from one place to another. In long distances, you can also pick up auto transportation and load your vehicle on the truck to avoid unnecessary long driving hours and wear and tear on your vehicle. It will help you save funds, time, and energy. In addition, 3 Movers provides damage protection, thus we cover any damage to your belongings during transit under the damage insurance. Local moving is easier than long-distance moves because there is a lesser distance to travel. However, all the other things like packing your stuff, disassembling the furniture, carrying it over to your new apartment, and setting up requires the same time and energy. Therefore, 3 Movers is here to help you with your local move. We provide damage protection and ensure the safe delivery of your belongings. Based on the distance, material to carry, and your equipment, we offer same-day delivery and a 1-hour moving facility. In addition, you can customize the services and request a free quote to compare the prices and make an informed decision. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Youngsville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.